Now, a 10 News Morning Original. New reporting first at 6.
Well, as unemployment rates continue to soar, many people are struggling to pay their mortgage, and there is help in the form of forbearance. Here at 10 News, we are working to help you sort through the complexities of the coronavirus. And today, for our series, The Rebound, reporter Jared Aarons looks at the pros and cons of mortgage forbearance.
Whitney White finally accomplished her dream of buying a home when she turned 40.
I'm a single mom, so I worked really hard to get that. And so when this all hit, it was pretty scary.
This is the coronavirus. As a stylist at a salon in Ramona, her income stopped when the stay-at-home orders began.
I've applied for the EIDL loan and still haven't received anything from that. Supposedly my unemployment card has been mailed, but I haven't received that either. So I'm literally writing on my stimulus check right now.
To stretch her money further, Whitney is one of nearly 4 million Americans who have applied for mortgage forbearance. Market analyst Black Knight says that number could reach 8 million by June, nearly 16% of all mortgages in the U.S. Under the Federal CARES Act, a forbearance lets you stop paying your mortgage for up to a year.
Forbearance is not debt forgiveness. Nobody's giving you any money.
Mark Goldman of C2 Financial says he's only had a couple of people ask about forbearance.
Forbearance means they're forbearing the current payment that is due, and somehow that payment that's been deferred is going to have to be repaid.
According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, people with government-backed mortgages have options to pay it back. It can be done all at once at the end of the forbearance, spread out over a period of time, or it can be added to the end of their mortgage as a lump sum or additional payments. But Goldman says it may impact your credit until the forbearance is repaid.
If somebody was contemplating a refinance and they go into forbearance, they may not be able to refinance that house until maybe 12 months after they get current on the loan.
White says she'll worry about that later. For now, her focus is on keeping her home.
For someone like myself who worked really hard to buy her own place, I'm not willing to let that go. So I'm going to fight tooth and nail to keep it.
Experts say this could cause problems for home buyers, though, because if more people go into forbearance, that means less cash flow for the lending industry, which means it'll be harder for house hunters to get a loan. Jared Aarons, 10 News.
Now, if you are interested in getting forbearance, you must call your mortgage service provider to set it up. Do not just stop paying your mortgage.